Alright, too. So, got the parts for the ECX circuit. This is what I always strip out. I done stripped about 20 of these in here, if that. But, maybe it's because of the motor. It's, I think it's a 2050 kV, so it got a lot of torque. But, it runs great with it for 2S or 3S. Let's go ahead and install that and go from there. I gotta take all of this off because it's the front one blew out. So I gotta take this all off. Anyway, let me just get to it. Alright guys, broke it down. So this is a common problem. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna take it out just so y'all can see, but I don't know what's that made of, but then they made the break. Alright, this is the part number, just for anybody that might need it. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's the part number for that. Let's go ahead and take it out the bag and show y'all the comparison. Alright guys, just wanted to get a close-up. So if y'all can see that, see how that's chewed out? It's even missing like chunks. Chunk there. And the same with the pinion. It's all messed up. And this is common. I don't know what they make this material out of, but it sucks. They do not sell no upgrades for this. This is why I don't drag race this car no more. It's a common problem. Me drag racing this, I must have blew. If you look back at all the old videos of me repairing this, trust me, I replaced a lot of these. Well, anyway, I'm gonna throw this new one on. This is how the new one looks. And I'm gonna shim it. It's shimmed right now. There's shims on there. I'm gonna shim it some more. We'll see, but this is the ring. Sorry about that. That's the ring. And this is the pinion. This is the new one. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, you two. I got it back up and running. So I'm probably gonna get it out for a test. So y'all stay tuned for that. These are the stock shocks in the front. I did go ahead and upgrade the rear. So I got more of a car set up real nice. Parking lot runner. I could run it on low cut grass, some dirt. We'll see. But I put the hoons up there. I mean the boots hoons, yeah, up there. We're gonna run it probably on 4S. Even though I only run it on 2 or 3S. I'm gonna run it on 4S just to see what it does. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and we'll take it out. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's nothing but the Sidewinder 8 in here, 6S ESC. And also this is the stock motor that comes with the Exceed. There was no use for it in the Exceed, so I just threw it in here. That's pretty much it. So far she's rolling. I did test it out, bench test it, make sure everything was spinning right. So far so good. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see what she do on outside. Alright guys. Alright, how's it going YouTube? Back out. We're gonna do some test running with the ECX after I change the front diff. I do got it on 4S. Just want to see where it's at. I did put hoons on it if y'all remember in the video. Let's see what it takes. I'm not gonna go real crazy on it because I'm trying to break in the front diff, making sure everything is good. Then we'll go from there. So y'all stay tuned. Let me set it up. Alright guys, let's see what she do. Get that steering trim right. Flowing. Wide open. She got it smooth with these hoons on there. It's wide open. She's running. Holding up, sounding good. smooth too. Usually the brake be too high. That's what I think be stripping out them diffs. Oh, she kinda running nice on 4S. Full throttle right there. She running, man. That's the car hitting the ground. That don't sound right. What's going on there? Ah, my motor came loose. I believe that's what it is. Something's jumping over here. Let's take this back, see what it did. It was running nice, man. I'm not sure what's going on. Let me see if I can look at it while we're right here. See if anything came loose. Yeah, I believe the motor came loose or something happened with the motor. I don't know. We're going to take it on the bench and see. We'll figure it out from there. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. Back on the bench. I was going to take it apart, figure out the problem, and then show you. But as soon as I got right here, look at this. It's the motor mount, and this is the motor. It's like detached. So, hoping it's just loose. Oh, a screw came all the way out. So maybe it was just spinning in there. Alright, let's put it back together and see. Put some Loctite up in there. I see some metal shaving, and I'm guessing it was grinding. That's where the noise was coming from. So let's tighten everything up, put it back together, and alright, guys, we put the Loctite back in. We put the screw back in with the Loctite. Everything is tightened up, so we're gonna go ahead and bench test it. Well, I'm assuming that's what it was. We'll get back out and test it, maybe in this video. If not, we'll do a separate video of just running this. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for tuning in.